Get acquainted with the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Give yourself the quality and comfort you deserve with this refined Hyundai Tucson. Meticulously constructed, smooth riding, and equipped with standard driver assist safety features, this compact crossover has what you need to get the most out of every drive. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, keyless start, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, power driver seat, 8-speed AT, rear spoiler, traction control. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.